Hi everyone, today I will introduce a technology called Grammarly. Grammarly is a writing assistant tool that uses artificial intelligence and natural language processing to help users improve their writing. So it's used to check and correct the grammar, spelling, punctuation, and the spelling error in the writing content. So then how to search Grammarly, you can just search online, just Grammarly tab here, and you can see the Grammarly is a website here. So I already passed a graph here to help our to understanding how to use the technology, how to use the Grammarly. So the first one, the Grammarly can just Grammarly and spelling check. So Grammarly can identify and correct the Grammarly mistake and just clean the correctness and have some of the you can just including issue with the verb tense, subject verb agreement, and sentence structure. It also catches spelling errors and suggestion correction. We just create the corrections. We can here are some suggestions about how to change the mistake here, and you can just click accept. It will offer to the correct site. And also it offers some punctuation correction. The tools help users with proper punctuation usage, ensuring that commas, periods, semicolons, and other punctuation marks are properly placed. As show like there had added more space, they can just show all of the very clear explanation here, and we can just add a space and stuff like that. You can see all of them, the explanation how to change the mistake. And also there offer a lot of like styling and clarity suggestion. You can just change the clarity. So, and the engagement and stuff like that. So Grammarly provides suggestions to enhance the overall writing style, making it more concise, clear, and engaging. So it may be offer alternative words choice and sentence structure to improve the flow of text. So there have the clarity. Maybe you can remove the price is more clear to understand, and how to make your paragraph more engagement. It also offer a lot of the idea, maybe change some words, and maybe it's more like engaged for the paragraph. And also it's why have the personalized choice. You can just set the goals. What's the paragraph you want to go? You can change the domain. It's academic, business, general, email, casual, creative, and stuff like that. And you can change the intent. It's like informal, describe, convince, tell story, and then you can show what audience for the paragraph. And for each like the choice, there have some different type of the format. So for academic, it maybe have the IC report and other, and format is very professional format here. So, but I think for this paragraph, it's general, and I want to change it like describe, and my audience is just general. It's like the personalized the choice to how to identify your paragraph. You can click down, and you offer very different suggestion for that. So, and also it offer the plagiarism checkers. So Grammarly offer the plagiarism direction feature, which can identify intent that the text may be very similar to the other content from the other sources. So this will help user to ensure the originality of the work. You can change there have some link of the very similar parts, and there have some percentage of text nearly match for the sources. And you can see all of the score of this your paragraph, and they can see the how to will go to change. Maybe the word length is too long and the sentence length is too long. It's maybe a lot, maybe it's hard to understand. You can see and vocabulary use, and there are a lot of very clear suggestion about your performance of the paragraph. So what is very effective about the Grammarly? So before I show you, so it's very easy to use, and so it's very highly users friendly with a low learning curve, and you can see the all of the websites very clear to use. And compared to other English grammar checkers and writing tools, it's very too simplest to use. And they have very clear explanation for the error correction. Not only just point out what's the mistake, it's also offer the very reasonable explanation to enhance English learning and writing skills. And it's like to not just provide the change, help you to change the mistake. It's like have an English teacher by your side to consistently correct and explaining and assisting you. So it maybe help you to improve your grammar and the writing levels. And it's with very high accuracy. You can say that maybe 100 times is very with a high accuracy, which there have a lot of suggestion. The last one, what might be the some potential challenge? So there, for the challenge, there have some encryption cost. Oh, I forgot before. They're very effective part is like offer to integrate with other websites. You can just to download in the Chrome, and you for other all of the website you can use the Grammarly to change, not just go to the website to use. And for the project challenge, the first one, I think the subscription cost. Will Grammarly offers a free version, but many advanced features are available only for the Prime subscription. For the all the suggestion and about the clarity and engagement and delivery is part offer should cost. So maybe this very limitation to some the person who have maybe for the students, although some have a tight budget. And also like their Grammarly is not a collaborative working platform, so it's only can use by one users. So maybe for some the collaborative working is maybe restricted by this part. Compare other writing tools like the Google Doc, it can allow of users use together to change what part you want. And last one, although there have some plagiarism checker occurrence, but it's not too entire foolproof. So users should to exercise cautions and not overly to rely on it, as it reserve more as a reference than identified tools. So definitive tools. So it cannot to guarantee of absolute occurrence and should be used with your like discerning eye and consider it as a supplementary and rather than a sole determination of the originality.